So hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So today I'll be taking a look at another interesting film premiering this year at the Cannes Film Festival. That film in particular, September Says, had premiered on May 21st in the Un certain regard section of Cannes. Excuse my pronunciation. This film is about a pair of sisters named September and July who band together to confront trauma, bullying, and romance. This movie is based off of Daisy Johnson's 2020 novel Sisters. It's received funding from big names like BBC Film, Euro Images, Element Pictures, just to name a few. Of course, actor Ariane Labed made her directorial debut with this release. Labed's acting career included stints in the Greek Weird Wave, American indie films, and primetime French dramas. Some of her notable films that she included in was Assassin's Creed, Alps, Before Midnight, The Lobster, and Mary Magdalene. She won the Volpi Cup for the Best Actress at the Venice International Film Festival for her debut film, Attenberg. She also confronted the film activists, French activists, and anti-harassment collective, the Actors Association. And she directed the 2019 short film, Hola, which premiered in the Cannes Directors Fortnight. So when it came to direction, her intention as a storyteller is, well, to explore more questions of belonging, but of course not constrict her stories and characters to fixed labels, as she's more interested in exploring how people live and how they move. Of course, she doesn't want to tender September Says to any specific time period. So what she's done is she's created a space that's timeless, has both vintage and modern elements, and she infuses elements in her acting history into her movie, also of course following the novel storyline. She explores the influence of patriarchal violence even between the two sisters in the film. So the film generously uses the deadpan tone characteristic of the Greek Weird Wave, and Labed entertains with its strained punchlines that would otherwise have a disturbing atmosphere. So this noteworthy debut could be the first step in the historious directorial journey for Ariane Labed. So stay tuned for more interesting tidbits. Thank you for watching. See you next time.